So before making handles, you have to keep zipper and you have to attach both sides. Okay. I'm going to use this long zipper. Almost we can cover with this zipper. So remaining we have to attach with slip stitches or macro stitches. Okay. Let's do that. Before that, we have to cut the yarn. And insert your hook into the loop and pull up. Next, what you have to do is you have to insert your hook into the next stitch and yarn over. Pull out the hook and yarn together and yarn over and pull up. Okay. Like this you have to do 2-3 times. Okay. Then it will be very strong, it won't come off. Okay. It won't be visible and all. Now you can hide the yarn like this. If you want, you can just cut the yarn, else you can do like this. Okay. Just insert your hook into the stitch and yarn over and pull up. Now you can cut the yarn. Okay. Now let's attach the zipper. So before attaching the zipper on the back, you have to attach both the sides. It will be easy for you to attach the zipper. Here the one side of the bag I have attached with slip stitches, you can see. Okay, so the same thing you have to do this side as well. I'll show you how to do that, don't worry. Let's attach this side. So here I started from here till down. Okay, if you want you can take more. If you want to attach more, you can attach. That's your wish. Here what you have to do is, it should be a proper measurement. So you have to bend and you have to see where you can start to attach. So you have to keep your bag, you have to fold it properly and have to see where you have to start. Okay, you can see this side I started from here, so you have to mark the same place in the other side. Okay, you can mark with stitch marker if you want. Okay. From here we are going to start attaching. Okay, so let's start from here. I'm using the same crochet hook, 3mm hook, and the same yarn. Just make a slip knot and remove your hook from the loop. So you can remove your stitch marker now. And what you have to do is insert your hook into the back loop of the stitch. Okay. Okay. This is the back loop, front loop and back loop. So I'm going to insert my hook into the back loop of the stitch. Okay, and at the opposite side of the bag you have to insert your hook into the front loop. Okay, not the back loop or back loop and front loop together. Okay, here you can see front loop, and back loop. So you have to insert your hook into the front loop alone. Okay, I didn't insert my hook into the back loop. Here you have to insert your hook into the back loop, and at the opposite side you have to insert your hook into the front loop. Okay, and now what you have to do is you have to take your slip knot and insert your hook into the slip knot and pull out your hook and yarn together through the 2 stitch. Okay, and you have to put one chain. Okay, and next what you have to do is you can just keep your yarn inside. Okay, and next you have to do the same thing, but no need to put chain. Just insert your hook into the back loop of the stitch. Okay, and at the opposite side you have to insert your hook into the front loop. Okay, just insert your hook into the front loop and take yarn and pull through both the stitches, and you have to do a slip stitch. Okay, next into the next stitch, back loop of the next stitch and front loop of the opposite stitch. Okay, and take yarn, pull up and do a slip stitch. Okay, insert your hook into the back loop and the front loop of the opposite side and yarn over and pull through and do a slip stitch. Okay, insert your hook into the back loop and the front loop, and you have to take yarn and you have to do a slip stitch. Again, insert your hook into the back loop and the front loop, yarn over, pull through the front loop and back loop together and do a slip stitch. Okay, you have to continue doing this till at the end. Okay, till here. Okay, pause the video and finish this here till here. Okay, once you finish till here you have to cut the yarn and pull up the yarn. Now what you have to do is just give a knot, just insert your hook into the next stitch. Okay, and take yarn and yarn over and pull up the yarn. Okay, and just give a knot like this. If you want, we can give one more knot. Else what you have to do is just insert your hook. Okay, my hook is here. Okay, now what you have to do is just insert your hook into the stitch and take yarn. Okay, you have to take your yarn inside of the bag. Okay, and now what you have to do is you have to give 2-3 knots in the beginning, okay, not in the end, in the beginning. What you have to do is you have to put a normal knot like this, okay. Just do 2 or 3 times, okay. And now you can cut the yarn. Okay. It won't be visible, it will be inside, right? So I'm not cutting from here, okay. And now you can do the same thing here as well. Just put one knot, okay. You can put 1 or 2 knots. And now you can cut the yarn, okay. So we have attached both sides of the back, you can see, okay. Now we'll attach the zipper, okay. Let's attach the zipper. Here I'm using a normal yarn needle and the same yarn. Now what you have to do is this, you have to keep it inside of the bag like this, okay. And what you have to do is you have to start attaching from here. If you want, you can mark with stitch marker, it will be easy for you to sew, okay, like this. Insert, okay, the both sides. You can see after the stopper, you can see the both ends. You have to insert your yarn needle into the ends of the zipper, okay. And to the stitch, you can see the stitch over here. You have to insert your needle over there as well, into this stitch as well, okay. And pull the yarn, okay. This should not be visible, so you have to keep it inside of the back. Here you can see I finished attaching the one side of the zipper, okay, from here till here. So the same way you have to do the other side as well. Before that you have to attach here, else you can cut the yarn from here, then you can start attaching the side. Then once you attach this side from here till here, then you have to attach the corners 1 and 2, okay. This is we have already attached, but still we have to attach, we have to secure it properly, else it will come off. Here I'm going to attach the corner first, then I'll go the side. Here you have to insert your needle here, okay, somewhere near, and you should keep your zipper straight, okay. Then you insert your needle like this, okay, into the zipper bag and this side as well, okay. And just pull up. As we have to hide the yarn, I'm going to insert my needle one more time into the zipper, okay. And now you can cut the yarn. And you can just put a knot. So we attach the corner. Now we have to attach the side as we done this side. Okay. Pause the video and attach this side. I'll be back. Here I have attached the zipper on the back. You can see. Next you have to make handles.